Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing tools and a minimal test bed. Install Unreal Engine through the Epic Games launcher and confirm GPU drivers are current. This avoids stalls later. Export Unity assets now. Models as FBX, textures as PNG or TGA, audio as WAV or OGG. Once done, create a small Unreal project with starter content so you have a controlled environment. Make sure to set the same target platform and coordinate system intent so assets import predictably, and you now move assets and recreate behavior. Import FBX and textures into Unreal, then immediately verify scale, normals, and pivots since Unity uses meters by default. Adjust import settings if needed. Once assets are stable, rebuild gameplay logic using blueprints for rapid iteration or C++ for performance-critical systems. Convert Unity prefabs into actor blueprints and centralize parameters in data assets so tuning is easy. As you work, test small scenes frequently to catch physics or input differences early and keep changes incremental. You finish by polishing and validating performance. Add LOD, bake lighting for static geometry, and enable nanite or adjust MIP settings to balance quality and FPS. Profile with Unreal Insights so you know bottlenecks. Ensure input mappings, physics layers, and animation state machines match your intended behavior, and run platform builds to confirm stability. If something breaks, check collisions, normals, and import scale first. Then review script timing and blueprint event order. These fix most migration headaches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.